Hello, this is Tamer with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. Last week we expected that the euro may be about to take back control, at least temporarily, and that price would start moving sideways to upwards. However, the dollar was clearly determined to keep its gains and price moved about 150 pips lower. Still, the technical picture doesn't look too good for the dollar. Momentum is still showing signs of weakening, and the pattern from an Elliott wave perspective is strongly arguing for a halt, perhaps even a full-scale trend reversal. We're updating our count to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So moving to our 6-hour chart, the bigger picture sees the euro moving downwards in intermediate wave A, which is forming an impulse labeled minor waves 1 through 5. Within it, minor wave 3 formed an impulse labeled minute waves 1 through 5 and has reached over 200% the length of minor wave 1. Within it, minute wave 3 formed an impulse labeled minute waves 1 through 5, reaching just about 161.8% the length of minute wave 1. And within it, both minute waves 3 and 5 unfolded as impulses labeled subminute waves 1 through 5, before minute wave 4 unfolded as a double zigzag labeled minute waves W, X, and Y, retracing exactly 23.6% of minute wave 3. Then minute wave 5 unfolded as an impulse labeled minute waves 1 through 5, exceeding 61.8% the length of minute wave 1, and it has come very close to reaching 100% of its length. This count expects that minute wave 5 and thereby minor wave 3 is either complete or very near completion, and that the euro is about to start moving towards the upside in minor wave 4. The MACD indicator supports this count by showing a clear bullish divergence between the ends of minute waves 3 and 5, which is the typical momentum signature at the end of 5-wave impulses. And in terms of candlestick analysis, no clear pattern appears at this point, although a doji is forming at the end of minor wave 3, which is typically a sign of indecision and possible reversal. In addition, price has just come very close to reaching the lower trend line of the channel drawn around minute waves 1 through 5. So at 1.2919, minor wave 4 would retrace 23.6% of minor wave 3, then at 1.3069 it would retrace 38.2% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.3504, as minor wave 4 may not enter the price territory of minor wave 1 within this impulse, and no invalidation point can be placed on the downside yet, as we have to wait for the new wave to start subdividing. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.